Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Mujmuli. I am the student of Bristol Institute. Today's topic is on pharmacovigilance career. It is a growing field in drug safety. Pharmacovigilance it is a part of the healthcare system. It involves detection, assessment, and understanding, and a prevention of adverse drug reaction. It means ADR or any other drug related problem. With the increasing complexity of pharmaceutical, the rising number of new drug formulation, and a growing concern for public health, the field of pharmacovigilance has become a more essential than ever. As a result, a career in pharmacovigilance are high in demand, offering a diverse opportunities for professional interested in ensuring a drug safety and efficacy. What is the pharmacovigilance? Pharmacovigilance is a branch of pharmacology that focus on safety of medication. Safety of medication. Once they enter in the market, while clinical trial assess the drug safety in a controlled environment. Pharmacovigilance is concerned with monitoring and safety of medicine after they are made available to the public. It involves detecting, evaluating, and preventing of adverse drug reaction, and ensuring that drugs, vaccine, and other medical product remain safe and effective for long-term use. Responsibility in pharmacovigilance. Then it is a career in pharmacovigilance, generally in all surrounding collecting and analyzing information about the safety and side effect of the drug. Some of the key responsibility in pharmacovigilance, it include some points. Adverse event reporting and case processing. In this, one of the core function in pharmacovigilance is the main. It is a collection and a processing of adverse drug event, and this report. Professionally gather all the information of healthcare, provide patient and scientific literature to evaluate whether the drug has caused any harmful effect. It process in also reviewing and validating and coding the information, and submitting it to the regulatory authorities such as the FDA, EMA, or WHO. Then signal detection and risk assessment. In pharmacovigilance, professional analyze the data and detect any potential safety signals, and an indication that drug may be linked to the adverse drug effect. They use a statistical method to identify the trend. Then next it is a risk assessment. In this, in all and evaluating benefit risk profile of the drug, and deciding whether the additional action such as labeling changes or product withdrawal are necessary or not. Then next it is a regulatory compliances and reporting. In this, pharmacovigilance professional ensure that companies practices comply with the regulation set forth by local and international authorities. They are responsible for preparing report for regulatory bodies, such as periodic safety update report, then risk management plan, and post marketing surveillance report. Next it is risk management. Then, once some potential risk is identified, pharmacovigilance professional to help design and strategies to help the drug. These may including updating the product label with a new safety information, issuing warning to healthcare provider, and recalling a product. Then next it is a patient and healthcare provider education. In this pharmacovigilance specialist may also involve in educating patient and healthcare about the risk of medication and ensuring that they are aware about the possibility side effect and the necessary precaution to take when using the drug. In this skill and qualification, required for a career in pharmacovigilance is needed to excel in pharmacovigilance. A combination of scientific knowledge, attention to detail, and analytical skill is essential. Then the skill is needed to build a successful career in pharmacovigilance. The educational requirement is the first of all, it is a bachelor degree in relevant any field such as pharmacy, medicine, life sciences, biotechnology, or nursing is any typically required for entry level position in pharmacovigilance. And then a master degree or higher education in pharmacovigilance, pharmaceutical science, or a regulatory affair can be advances for more for advanced roles. Then some professional may also hold a certification in pharmacovigilance from the recognized organization like the Drug Information Association or International Society of Pharmacovigilance. Uh, then uh, then next it is scientific and medical knowledge. In this understanding the pharmacology of the drug and their metabolism and therapeutic indication is essential. The knowledge of how the drug interact with the human body and their potential side effect and how adverse drug reaction are reported in a successful career in pharmacovigilance. So, uh, Details about the pharmacovigilance in this, it involves some scrutinizing in this to identify the pattern in drug safety. Then next it is accuracy in documenting adverse event and compiling the report and making the data decision is a crucial role in public health and maintaining the compliances with the regulatory standard. In this, there is important analytical skill which is required. In this, strong ability to analyze the data and perform a statistical analysis is important for signal detection and risk assessment. Professional in pharmacovigilance work with sophisticated databases and software tools to analyze the safety data. Proficiency in the tools. Then next, knowledge of the regulatory guideline. Professional must be familiar with the international regulatory guidelines such as the International Council for Harmonization, it means ICH, then E2E guidelines, good pharmacovigilance practices issued by the European Medicine Agency and FDA. Compliances with the standard in a crucial for ensuring the safety and efficacy of the marketed product. In this communication level, communication it is level, it is effective communication is a play a important role. As a professional need to interact with various stakeholder including healthcare provider, regulatory authorities, patient, internal team, and they must be able to explain a complex scientific information clearly and prepare a detailed safety report for a regulatory submission. Then career opportunities in pharmacovigilance. In this The field of pharmacovigilance offer a wide variety of career opportunities at a different level. In this, some of the common role. First of all, pharmacovigilance associate. It is a entry level role. It involves gathering and reviewing of adverse event report, then processing data, and supporting the development of safety report. It is ideal for a recent graduate with a background in pharmacy or life sciences. Next, it is a pharmacovigilance officer. In this, pharmacovigilance officer is responsible for ensuring the compliances with the regulatory requirement, and preparing and submitting the safety report to the regulatory agency, and assisting the signal detection and risk management. Then next, it is a safety data analysis. In this role, in all analyzing the safety data from clinical trial, post marketing surveillance, and a spontaneous report to detect the potential safety signal, and assess the benefit risk profile. Then next, it is a drug safety manager. In this, a drug safety manager oversees the pharmacovigilance team, and ensure that safety monitoring activities, then it is conducted. So they may also work with the regulatory authorities to ensure that safety data is accurately reported. Then next role, it is a pharmacovigilance lead or a director level. It involves managing the pharmacovigilance strategy and operation for a pharmaceutical company or a regulatory agency. This position includes a large team, and developing policies, and ensuring the global regulatory compliances. Then next, it is a regulatory affairs specialist. In regulatory affairs specialist, in this role ensuring that pharmacovigilance activities align with the regulatory requirement, and it involves preparing the submission and maintaining the product, and interacting with regulatory authorities, and related to the drug safety. So salary of all the position which are different. So pharmacovigilance professional is expect to grow as a pharmaceutical industry, and to expand to particularly with a development with new drugs, and then next, it is a drug safety. It is a monitoring and a growing need to skill in pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance of any role, and it is based on experience, location, and a job role. So entry level positions such as pharmacovigilance associated, it's typically earn between a 50 lakh about. So another position will pay almost highest earning. So in this, there are many position which gain more income as compared to other. So in pharmacovigilance, these are the many opportunities for freshers level. So career in pharmacovigilance offer a diverse opportunity to make a significant impact on public health. So by ensuring the safety and efficacy of the drug, the medical product, um, in the pharmaceutical industry, safety monitoring and professional in this field, they have lots of opportunity. So as a drug safety, to continue and evolve the pharmacovigilance, it is a dynamic field. So so it is important to healthcare industry to join. Thank you so much.